What's going on, guys? Dustin and Carver Hobby. One break tonight for me. 2014 Topps Triple Threads Football. It's a three-box break. Date is February 17, 2015. Let's be off our teams and our owners real quick. I have Amanda with the Jets, Bruce with the 49ers and Rams, Daniel with the Buccaneers, Donald with the Dolphins, Glenn with the Saints, John J with the Bills, Bengals, Browns, Jaguars, Chiefs, Giants, and Eagles, heavy hitters. Juan with the Ravens and Texans, Kevin with the Vikings, Chargers, and Seahawks, Kyle with the Colts, Matt with the Falcons, Michelle with the Raiders, Nicole with the Broncos, Richard with the Titans, Stephen with the Packers, Timothy with the Patriots, Tony R with the Cardinals, Bears, Redskins, Ty with the Cowboys and Lions, Tyler with the Panthers, and William T with the Pittsburgh Steelers. Here we go, guys. Before the break, I'll let you guys vote on which side of the case you guys wanted, left, center, or right. You guys voted center, 3-1, I believe it was. 3-0, I can't remember. It's definitely a majority, though. All right, we'll be doing the center tonight. Left side and right side, either next week or the week after. Here's our case, guys. Fully sealed, ready to rock and roll. Let's do this, guys. Good luck. Center, we'll keep it in the middle for you guys so you guys can see it. Remember it. Love it. Clean. Empty box. Alright. Take the 3 on the left, 3 on the right. You guys chose the middle 3. So let's do it that way. Here we go, guys. There's your 3 boxes. 1, 2, and 3. Let's get it rolling. Good luck, everyone. Teach you guys some monsters tonight. We pulled some monsters out here so far. We pulled the Odell Beckham Jr. 101 triple jersey or jersey auto out of here. So pulled the 101 ODB. So maybe get you guys rolling again tonight. That'd be awesome. Here we go. Mini box 1. Box 1. We haven't had a book out of here yet. Done a lot of cases. No books. I'd like to see one. Here we go. Pull the number to the front. Get it going, guys. Good luck. See the focus real quick. 199 Eddie Lacy, Packers. 32 of 199. RG3 out of 399 for the Redskins. Then our base go to Jimmy Graham, Saints, Josh Gordon, Browns. And Torrey Smith, 49ers, our first hit. Nice hit for the Packers, 25 of 30. Devontae Adams, silhouette auto. Devontae Adams, 25 of 30. Nice start for Green Bay. Congrats on that. That's a nice hit. Devontae Adams, 25 of 30 for Green Bay. Sweet card. And then we got O.C. Umenyiora for the Atlanta Falcons, 3 of 9. Sweet patch in the middle there. O.C. Umenyiora, Atlanta, 3 of 9. Three and 9, Devontae Adams on the first one. Mini box numero deuce. Box 1. Out of 99, 93 of 99, Von Miller, Denver. Brandon Marshall out of 399 for the Bears. Then our base go to Julio, Julian Edelman, Mr. Tinder, and Luke Kuechly, Carolina. And then we got some color. Oh, Bishop Sankey. Nice auto. Nice patch. Nice auto. 61 of 99. Tennessee. Nice hit. It's a cool looking card for Tennessee. 61 of 99. Bishop Sankey. Nice patch there. Behind that, we got Johnny Football. 13 of 25. Johnny Football. 13 of 25. Cleveland. Jumbo patch of Manziel. That's our first box, guys. First box number 2. Stand this one up. Box 2, mini 1. There's a book here, maybe? No. Just a thick card. Thick card, no book. Fooled me. We got Romo out of 199 for the Cowboys. Romo out of 199. 86 of 199 for Dallas. Torrey Smith out of 399 for the Ravens. Base, Sue. Base, Green, and Lacey, base. Hit number 1 and this mini goes to AJ McCarron, Jersey Auto. Bengals, 18 of 75. 18 of 75, AJ McCarron. We got a thick one under here. I'm assuming it's a nice one. Oh, a little bet action. Tony G, 4 of 18. Atlanta's hot. Atlanta's hot, 4 of 18. Tony Gonzalez. 4 of 18, Tony G. I know, guys, if there's commercials, we're getting rid of commercials come March. We're paying the fee to get rid of commercials. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to explain this. We're getting rid of the fees come March, guys, for commercials. Commercials pop up. We apologize. They're different for everyone, so we can't keep stopping. Or everybody's commercials are timed differently. It depends on when you got in the lobby. I will go over all hits when this break is over with, guys. As of right now, there's really nothing we can do about it. Come March, we're paying the fee. It's not cheap to get rid of commercials. It's not cheap at all. But something we're going to do. As of right now, unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about it. We will roll all the hits when it's over with. Not going to leave you guys hanging. Here we go. Von Miller out of 50. Complete the Von Miller rainbow here. 36 to 50. Von Miller, Denver. Out of 399, Michael Wallace. Miami. Cam Newton, Carolina. Flacco, Ravens. And Forte, Bears. Those are our base. Holy cow, that is nasty. 101. Boom! We got a 101. Austin Safarian Jenkins. That is nasty. Tampa Bay, 1 of 1. Congrats on Tampa Bay on that. 101 action. Who's got Tampa Bay? Let's see here. Tampa Bay is owned by Daniel O. So Daniel O, congrats, buddy. Congratulations on that. Austin Safarian Jenkins, 1 of 1. That's sweet. That is sweet. Behind that, purple. Devontae Freeman, Atlanta. Atlanta has every patch so far. 17 of 75. Atlanta again. Atlanta's on fire. Falcons, 17 of 75. Devontae Freeman. Last box, guys. Good, no problem. Stuck. Come on. Doesn't want to come out of here. Maybe he's got a monster in there. Oh, that's our fourth one-on-one out of this product so far. ODB one-on-one. Pulled a Karen one-on-one. Some Kilimanjaro, whatever his name is, one-on-one for the Bills. And now the Frank Jenkins one-on-one. We got Rare Fits out of 199. Arizona. Reggie Bush out of 399 for Detroit. Base go to Kendall Wright, Tennessee. Manning, Denver. Hilton, Colts. Out of 99. There we go. Teddy Bridgewater action. Nice little case so far. 29 of 99. 29. Come on. 29 of 99. Teddy Bridgewater. Nice hit for Minnesota. Congrats on that. That's a nice hit. That's what you're chasing. A nice patch of Des Bryant for Dallas. 13 of 36. Come on. 13 of 36. Des Bryant. 3-color patch in the middle. Blue, white, gray. X Des TD. Dallas. Nice 3 boxes. These are nice 3 boxes here. Here we go, guys. Good luck if you guys still waiting. No book, though. Maybe the last 6 have a book. Out of 99, Phillip Rivers, San Diego. There we go. Randall Cobb out of 399, Green Bay. Matt Marchand, base. Phillip Rivers, base. Alfred Morris, base. You guys might got a peek at this one. I left it open. Sweet. That is sweet. Marcus Wheaton, 2 of 3. My goodness, what a nice 3 boxes here. Pittsburgh, 2 of 3. Pittsburgh Steelers, Marcus Wheaton. That's pretty dope. Nice card for Pittsburgh. 2 of 3. Behind that, Khalil Mack, 4 of 99. Jumbo jersey. 4 of 99. Khalil Mack. For the Raiders. The Raiders. All right, guys, we'll go over our hits one more time in case you guys missed it. Commercials, whatever have you. Do it one more time for you guys. Khalil Mack, 4 of 99. The Raiders. Sweet Wheaton, 2 of 3. Pittsburgh. Dez, 13 of 36. Dallas. Teddy Bridgewater out of 99. Minnesota. We got Devonta Freeman, 17 of 75. Atlanta. 101. Safari Jenkins. Tampa Bay. 1 of 1. All kinds of nasty patches going on. Got a lot of Falcons hits. 4 of 19. Tony G. AJ McCarron out of 75. Cincinnati. Johnny Football, 13 of 25. Cleveland. Bishop Sankey out of 99. Tennessee. Sweet patch. We got Usi Manura, 3 of 9 for Atlanta. Nice patch. And then Devonta Freeman out of 30. 25 of 30 silhouette auto. That's our break, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We'll be doing 3 more boxes next week. Maybe 6 boxes. If not, we'll be doing 3 next week, 3 the week after. Thanks for breaking with Carver Hobby, guys. Do appreciate it. These cards will help you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, I'm going to hang around for 2 or 3 minutes here after this break. Let me know if you guys need to see anything again. If not, thanks for breaking with us, guys. We do appreciate it.